Hello, my name's Adrian from Padman Quick Culverts. Today we're installing our premium Quick Culvert 3300 into this irrigation channel. Our unique one-piece flat bottom design enables for a fast and effective flow, eliminates build-up, enables a lot more sediment and build-up to flow through rather than block up in the traditional round pipes. Our premium 3300 has a fully sealed unit, so we actually have a rubber ring that attaches to the culvert and is slid together to form a watertight seal on the culvert once it's installed. Our quick culverts are low maintenance, they're very quick to install. In this particular application, it's an entrance to a farmer who drives over the channel to enter his property. So the fact that we can get this installed quickly and efficiently enables the farmer to get back on his property and continue work as quickly as possible.
Specifically for this job with the channel, we've had to shut the water off. Fast install all in one day. Designed it as clipped together. It's a strong shape. So Padman Group's excited that there's another option for contractors. We believe we can install more culverts faster, so we can be in and out in one day. We can come in, bed prep, shut the water off, get the product in, backfill, drive on it the same day, and the water can be going through the same days.
Our quick culvert range at the moment is ranging from a 900 to a 1200 to the install today, which is a 3300.